Hey guys, it's your boy Legendary Badass here, unboxing the brand new iPhone 13 mini in midnight. Whoa! So make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Got my trusty Kyocera carbon ceramic blade with me. Yes, this folding knife. I guess I'm not actually gonna need it. Okay, so I'm gonna just peel back this little sticker over here. And hey, that didn't tear the box up all that bad. They must have designed this for some cool unboxings on video. Yeah, we gotta fill YouTube up with unboxing. All right. Hey, look at all that cool packing paper. Yeah, I don't know how it absorbs all that shock, but man, this paper really rocks. Look at that, it's so thick. It doesn't feel recycled, but I'm sure it's good for the environment. Whoa, no plastics, no styrofoam. And now, look at this. We have a lightning to USB-C cable, and it's actually quite small. But don't worry, it's got a lot of paper holding it together in a cool, tight circle. 360 degrees of connection. Whoa! Hey, check it out. We have a little card over here. And there's a tool for you to pop out your SIM tray. Yeah, you can pop in your SIM card when you upgrade your iPhones, because at this point they're expecting you to already have one. Yeah. And there's even a little Apple sticker in there, not made of paper. But check this out. Cool paper backing. Yeah, we don't want to get any kind of smudges on this plastic veneer on the back of this paper. Oh yeah. It's like got this nice transparency to it, and check it out, little print over here telling you what all the buttons do on your new iPhone 13 mini. Let's take another good look at this paper right there. Oh yes, can you hear it? Oh yeah, that is some fine paper right there. Yes, yeah indeed. Oh yeah, keep going. It's not even picking up the sweat from my fingertips. It's not browning at all. It's staying white. Oh yeah. We're just gonna try to merge that back together. Oh, we gotta watch out for that little sticker. Yeah, there we go. And oh, it's almost, oh, it's in. Oh, okay. And there you go, the iPhone 13 mini unboxed.
Thank you for watching my son's YouTube station. It's not for everyone, but he tries. Maybe if you bought some merch below, he'll eventually get good at the YouTubing.